Hello again. Yes, following day. We have the 16th of the 12th today, and I've been just working a little bit here earlier on. I didn't record because I didn't have my camera with me, but I took off the deck. As you can see, it's missing, and I was just messing around here a little bit. But I'll just show you the deck and what's wrong with it and what I want to do with it. So there's the machine. Right, hanging from here upside down, as you can see. Just giving you a quick glance, and I'm progressing nicely. Sorry about shaking there because I was holding the camera funny in my hand, but that's the deck. And I'm going to show you a few little things on it. Right, okay, first of all, on that channel we have here okay, how can I get in the light? I give it a little wash, a very bad hole as I'm putting my finger through it. So I'm going changing that. I have another, I'm getting another old one. It's promised to me. I must go and collect it. These are the blades. Now there are 4 blades. Well, like, there are 2 blades in the one side, if you know what I'm trying to say to you. Mulching blades, they're called. That was a nice thing about it. Now I have another deck just like it, and the deck itself is in good nick, but this is absolutely rotten. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this off, and I have another one where this is in good nick, and put that on here because this is just slightly better than the other one. And I'm going to take this and weld it onto the other deck and make myself a deck for mulching the seaweed. So I can just weld that up, that hole, and fix that up for myself a little bit. Just they're easy change. They're really quick and easy to change. Basically, my strap is in the way. Basically you have, okay, sorry. Basically you have here, the pin, the thing goes through here, a pin goes through, and you put a little clip into it. And the same everywhere, the same here, same in this. Just the arm goes here, and you clip a little pin into it. Same on this side, and the same in the back. So it's just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pins. Take the belt off the motor, and drop it, and you're off. And put the other one on. So you could literally change the deck within 10 minutes, roughly. Wouldn't take that long. So when I'm doing seaweed and stuff and mulching and doing a lot of that work, I can change the deck. And I'm going to fix this one up, and polish it up, and sand it, and wire brush it, sand it, and paint it all up for myself for the good deck. I'm going to make a good deck out of that. I inquired about a new deck. So it's, what did he say, 900 euros thereabout, but he said 900 euros ready to go. In other words, it would have all the pulleys and everything on it, literally just mounted up and put the belt on and finished. But still a lot of money. If I was buying the other thing just by itself, I'd have to change all these, and like, I mean, you know, it's 900 euros, and I mean, I only bought the machine for 1200 or 1100. So haven't got that much money, and saved myself a lot of money by just getting second-hand parts, and I can get them for half nothing. Little favor, you could say, you know. So there I can save a little bit of money and make myself a deck for doing the real rough and bad things. Well, salty seaweed, eats the metal. So yeah, looking not too bad, and we're going to carry on now here. I think my next job now is to take this all off here. Might do for a bit of video on that, but I must go and get something, and I'll be back in a few minutes. Just pause the camera for a while. Room is tight here, alright. dry. That's the main thing. So, I'll let you watch for another couple of minutes, but yeah, I'm going to try and take off this wheel, and I'm going to try and get this off. I've done the wheels before, well, not this one. No, these are hard to come off. They are hard to come off. Okay, this is fighting me. Come on. Come on, please. Don't be fighting me like that. I don't know if you get them with the pliers because you end up tearing them. I'll try it gently. Ta-da! A better grip. No. Okay. Yeah. Tight here. Said that several times. My hammer's over here. I hope I can slide the wheel off handy enough. They are a nuisance to get off. If not, I'm going to just leave it. For today anyway. Last year, come on. Okay, maybe we can do it an easier way. Can I get that in there? Well, you know I can, yes. That was easier. The screwdriver behind it. Now I have a bunch of washers. Yes, okay. Ta-da! Where's my key? It should be in the wheel. There. 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 Holy moly. A lot of dirt. Oh my goodness. What a amount of dirt. Where's the key? There, stuck in the wheel, okay. Leave it there for now. What a amount of dirt, and I thought I washed it. Okay, that's for a wash. See, the drive shaft is nice and clean. See that? And I washed the machine with the power holes. I'm going to put these back, because we didn't back two. And where's it? So that I don't lose them. Now this lane I'm putting him on. Nuisance to get off. Right, so far so good. The brush. My bench is a mess. Let me see how much of this dirt we can brush off here. Yeah. Yeah. Good grief. I knew this was going to happen. By the time I'm finished, they're like a new machine. I wish I could get the power washer in here. Everything is bolted and clipped. Isn't that just fantastic? Okay. We'll have to wash them again after. Right, now. What size are we there? 10? I think. Let's do the last one. What's that? 10. Is that right? It ain't. It must be smaller. Maybe it is 12. I wouldn't put it past it. What? Okay, what am I doing? That's 11. Is it 10, isn't it? 12. So there are 10s. Oh, they're nice. Yeah, they're nice. Too small. Don't do me the imperial. Let me just check. Is that a 9? Your 10's alright. Okay. Oil all this is kind of messy. Nice and fast. You trying to tease me now or something? Gee, these threads are coarse, huh? That way I know where my screws are. From this. From everything. I'm gonna lose my table. Okay, the seat is undone. Presume that. Same on the other side. Easy here. Yeah. There from above. Yeah. That it? Well, huh? Is it that easy to take that off? Huh? Good gosh. Don't speak so soon. Socket hole is there. Just making sure it's going the right way around. I'm losing my table. Okay. Where do I put these? There. I need to get a box actually. Put some of them small things in. Leave that off. Again, get there so nothing fall through it all the time. And okay, let's attempt these. It's very easy. Where's me? Can of WD. Look at it. Look at me in the face. As much as I thought I felt that spin. 16, 15. Very loose. 14s, of course. Oh, my 14 spanner is gone. Let's have a look at it. Find out somewhere. Right, I need to find a 14 spanner somewhere. I can't find the small 14. just love when that happens. Now what did I do with the ratchet? Hang on. You know, I thought I could speed things up. Why are you so cotton now? Clips, I mustn't lose them. Actually, I'll put them back. So that one belongs here. 1 second. When it goes on the deck. Right. I'll do it in a minute. This way on. This is a deep socket. They're both the same way. No, I never took the wheel off on this side, did I? No wonder. That's tightening. Where are you? Stay on there. There's really not much room there on the wall, is there? What's the story there? Why is there so little room? Can't really get the socket on, can I? Okay. That might help, yeah. It would help a big time. Huh? Okay. How do I get up? My. I have problems getting up and down because I twisted my knee, so it makes it harder for me working on the boat. No, in there. Voila! One part ready for painting. Another one. Oh my gosh. What a dirt. Even washing it, huh? You're amazed how much dirt stays behind. Right, the wheel. Next job. I don't even like wires. Yep. I need this. Shoots gas. Off. Key. And that wheel here on this side so I know which is what. Oh boys, look at that, all bent. No wonder. What's that? Look at that. Okay. So I'm just going to study this for a minute and see what my next move is, and we might do some more recording.